I was in the Marine Corps, spent 21 years and retired. They weren't worried so much about fixing your teeth. They just wanted you to get back out in service. So 9 times out of 10, if you had a toothache, they snatched it out. I lost most of my lower molars in the Marine Corps. Over the years, I kept losing teeth and losing enamel and that kind of thing. So they just got brittle. I came here as kind of a last stop, asked him for a price. I was just, what does it cost? And at that point, I was ready to go get dentures.
Don came to my office a little bit hostile, I have to say. He was frustrated, I think, and it was a hostility I recognized right away, and it wasn't personal. It was just, hey, I gotta help you through this here, Don. And we sat in the waiting room and talked about it a little bit because he didn't want to come back. He'd been shopping on price a lot, and he'd also been told that he had to have all his teeth out. To have all of your teeth out isn't something to take lightly, and so I talked to him about that.
So they did a panoramic scan of my entire mouth. And when they did that, you could see everything in there, and you could see where there was problems and where he could repair the areas.
In looking at him clinically and at looking at the radiographs with the x-rays, it was very, very evident to me that this gentleman didn't need all his teeth out. He just needed his teeth restored and maintained properly.
I came back in a week or two, I don't remember exactly, but he had a mock-up of everything, and he said, I can do this for you. And he went over and showed me this is what we have now, and this is where it'll be when we get done with it.
We immediately put him into our hygiene program and taught him how to take better care of his teeth so that we were sure that he was going to be able to take care of the investment he was about to make. Then we restored all his teeth with beautiful crown and bridge work all around the top, all around the bottom. We put an implant down on the bottom, have been able to keep his teeth. And I think that's made a big impact on his life. I can't help but beam when I see him smile and they're his teeth smiling. And he never used to smile. When he first came in, he never would smile. And now he's learned to smile.
It's what I don't worry about now. I can talk to somebody and not really worry about, are they looking at my teeth? You know how when you buy a new car, you wake up the next morning, you run outside in the yard and see if it's really there, it wasn't a dream? Same thing with the teeth. You have to get up in the morning and look at them and just say, wow. So I'm very happy with the progress we've made. I'm very happy with the result and how it come out. I had got used to smiling again.